Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 3rd. This is your new session book, Marigold English for class 3rd. So today we are going to read class 3, chapter number 2, English. So here is your chapter, unit 1st, The Magic Garden. Okay, students. Now we will read The Magic Garden. First of all, tell me one thing. Do you like go to garden? Yes, I'm sure you like garden because in the garden you see many different kind of flowers, different kind of things, and you go there and you play there and enjoy. So I'm sure that everybody likes go to garden. But this garden, which garden? The Magic Garden. We are going to read about it is a magic garden. Do you like magic? Yes. Let's see what kind of magic garden is it. Okay. So let's start. The magic garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies, and pansies. So, this magic garden is located in the school playground. It was so beautiful. And there were flowers. Which flowers? Sunflowers, rose, marigolds, poppies, and pansies. Okay. Next, the sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other hand. And the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." So here the sunshine fell in the garden and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another that we have hundreds of little gardeners. And what were the little gardens? Yes, the children of the school. They were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. So here, flowers are talking to each other. I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all, said a poppy. So here, the flower, which name is a poppy, said that I love children, but I love the dear little ones. I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots. So, I love the dear little ones who bring watering cans and water my thirsty roots. Move to the next. Like these. These are watering cans and they are watering in the thirsty roots. Here you can see flowers, sunflowers, roses, and there are marigolds. These are poppies and pansies. We love the little children, said a tiny bird. They are kind and they bring bread for us. Then a छोटी चिड़िया बोलती है, they are kind and they bring bread for us because the children feed the birds. उनके लिए bread लेके आते थे और उनको खिलाती थी. All the flowers said, we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon. All the flowers said that we should make our dresses very beautiful because children will come here soon. The son said, I will help you also, for nothing please me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. Then son also listening there talking. Then the son said, I will help you also. I'm also like children's running about in the golden sunshine. Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. तभी क्या होता है, बच्चे वहाँ पर आ जाते हैं हंसते हुए गाते हुए, एंड flowers stop their songs to listen to them. तभी फ्लावर्स है वो चुप हो जाते हैं ताकि वो उनको सुन सके. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child. And the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Then one children said, look at the sunflower. The sunflower lifted its head very proudly. जब उसके बारे में बताता है कि जो सनफ्लावर है वो कितना लंबा है, उस कितना बड़ा है, तो सनफ्लावर बहुत प्राउड फील करता है, वो अपने सर को ऊपर उठा लेता है. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. The other child said also that I love marigold because it is in golden dress. So marigold smiled. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. That's why ये मैजिक गार्डन क्यों है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे फेरीज भी हैं, परियाँ. These are fairies. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. So here they danced, they sang sweet songs which the children could only hear. After a time, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. उसके बाद फेरीज आती हैं, डांस करती हैं और बच्चों से बातें करती हैं. और जो उनकी ड्रेसेस थी वो किससे बनी हुई थी? फ्लावर्स से. विंग्स ऑफ, और उनके जो पंख थे वो सनशाइन से बने हुए थे. ओके. द मैजिक गार्डन वॉज क्वाइट. दैट नाइट the flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. So in the night, the magic garden was in the silent mode. Why? Because the flowers and birds were asleep. वो सो गए थे and dreaming of the next day, और वो अगले दिन के जो नेक्स्ट डे के सपने देख रहे थे जब बच्चे वापस वहाँ पर आएंगे. So this chapter adapted from the fairy garden by Margaret H. Bolton. जो इसका राइटर है वो कौन है? मार्गरेट एच बोल्टन. और इन्होंने द फेरी गार्डन लिखी थी जिनमें से ये एक छोटा सा चैप्टर लिया गया है. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस लेसन not only is a lesson but it gives a precious message for life. So now it's time to tell you a message. So what is message? Message is our nature is very precious, and if we take care of our nature, our surroundings, it will create very happy and healthy atmosphere. Okay. So here some new words which we read in this chapter. Magic. Magic means जादू. गार्डन, गार्डन आप जानते ही हो जो कि बगीचा होता है. गार्डनर्स, गार्डनर्स क्या होते हैं? माली हु टुक केयर ऑफ फ्लावर्स एंड प्लांट्स. प्लेग्राउंड, एन एरिया ऑफ टू प्ले. नेक्स्ट इज सनसाइन, सूरज की रोशनी, सूरज की चमक. गोल्डन, सुनहरी, गोल्ड कलर की, गोल्डन कलर की. ड्रीमिंग, सपने देखना. ओके, सो दीज आर न्यू वर्ड्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द स्टोरी is about magic garden. Who wrote this story? Yes, who wrote? Margaret H. Bolton written this story. So this is a story about a garden in a school playground. The children of the school take care of the plants and flowers. There they also take care of the birds. It's a magic garden because even fairies sing and dance in that garden when they see the children. Okay, I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.